In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your Trello board to CSV quickly and easily. Whether you need to create reports, back up your data, analyze tasks in Excel, or share your board data with someone outside of Trello, exporting to CSV is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Trello workspace. Go to Trello.com and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home dashboard where you can see your workspaces and boards. Navigate to the workspace that contains the board you want to export. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you select the correct one so you're working with the right data. Next, open the specific Trello board that you want to export. Click directly on the board name and it will load all your lists, cards, labels, due dates, and members. Take a quick moment to confirm that this is the exact board you want to download, especially if you manage multiple similar projects. The CSV export will include the data from this board, so it's important to double-check before continuing. Once your board is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Show Menu. Go ahead and click on Show Menu. This opens the board menu panel on the right-hand side. The menu contains additional settings and actions that aren't visible on the main board view. Inside the menu panel, scroll down until you find the option called Print, Export, and Share. Click on that option. This section contains different ways to share or export your board data. Trello groups these export features together, so if you're ever looking for download options in the future, this is where you'll find them. After clicking Print, Export, and Share, you'll see an option that says Export as CSV. Go ahead and click Export as CSV. As soon as you click it, Trello will automatically generate a CSV file of your board data and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file will either appear in your Downloads bar at the bottom of your screen or in your default Downloads folder. The file will typically be named after your board, making it easy to identify. Now let's quickly talk about what's inside that CSV file. When you open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or another spreadsheet tool, you'll see rows representing your cards and columns containing details like card name, description, list name, labels, due dates, members, and more. This format makes it extremely useful for reporting, filtering, sorting, and analyzing your project data outside of Trello. If you don't see the Export as CSV option, keep in mind that CSV export is available on Trello Premium and Enterprise plans. If you're on a free plan, you may not see this option unless your workspace has the appropriate subscription. In that case, you would need to upgrade to access CSV exports. And that's it. That's exactly how to export your Trello board to CSV. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. Open your workspace, open your board, click Show Menu, select Print, Export, and Share, and then choose Export as CSV. Your file will download instantly and be ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.